All right, for the 2009 CRF 250, we got the brand new Pro X piston. So I'm gonna take the old piston out, and I'm gonna start putting the new piston in. Then we're gonna go from there. All right, I got that new piston on there. All the rings, the oil rings and everything on perfectly. Got that old one out, the old fried piston. So next thing I'm gonna do is start putting the top end back together on the bike. All right, man, I got the cylinder on, finally on there. Went in nice and smoothly, so the next thing I'm gonna do is start putting the cylinder head on. And then we're gonna go from there. Okay, I got the cam and everything put in. And one thing I noticed with his valve clearance, one of his intake valves is perfect. The clearance is perfect, but that right one is too tight. His clearance too tight, so I'm gonna have to do a valve adjustment. All right, now I got the valves adjusted perfectly. Now they slide through nice and smoothly. All right, so I got everything on there because this how he gave me the bike, this how he brought it to me, so. But I got all the fluids in it, got coolant, got motor oil, got everything in it. So this is how I'm gonna start it. But we still gonna see if it had a V-touch.